Hi there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel on San Miguel de Allende Secrets. And today we're going to talk about February 2nd, better known as Candelaria. As always, in the descriptive box below, feel free to click any of the links for more information, including Amazon.com, and you can purchase any of the books in the best-selling series of San Miguel de Allende Secrets. Candelaria, or Groundhog Day in the United States, is celebrated the 40th day after Christ's birthday. The day Jesus was presented in the temple. Back in Jesus' day, a new mother had to wait 40 days after childbirth to re-enter the temple. Today, baby dolls of Jesus are taken to church to be blessed and kissed by the priest. Every family has at least one, and there are hundreds of handmade outfits available to dress your baby Jesus in. The first year the doll is presented, he is dressed in white. He dons a colored outfit for the second year, any color you like, and on the third year Jesus is dressed as King of the world, complete with a crown and a throne, ready to provide miracles. In pre-Hispanic San Miguel de Allende, this was the time for rituals to bring rain and plentiful crops. By the 17th century, indigenous communities brought seeds and bulbs to the churches for special blessings, bringing a good harvest and rains through April and May, now what are normally the dry months. For over 6 decades, the Spring Flower and Garden Show begins the same day. Throughout the month, dozens of vendors line the walkways of the parks, selling everything imaginable for the garden, while there is music, food, and dancing among the breathtaking flowering plants. If, on Three Kings Day, you're the one that received the hidden baby in the special bread, like what's pictured here, you have to host a Candelaria party featuring a mix of indigenous and Catholic beliefs with the tole, a corn-based drink, and tamales, representing baby Jesus. The candles used on Candelaria, hence the name, signify dismissing the cold and awakening the earth and casting out flooding and earthquakes. The candles are also blessed today, then lit to guide the lost souls to heaven, part of the traditions in honor of Tlaloc, the indigenous god of the rain, that was celebrated this same day. As always, feel free to script the subscribe button below, and you'll get notifications of new videos that come out nearly daily here on the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel.